Come, let's look at this question number 40, the last question for physics, JAMB PAST question 2018. Calculate the effective capacitance of the circuit above. This is the circuit with capacitors in parallel with capacitance 2 microfarad, another 2 microfarad and another 2 microfarad connected in series to 1 2 microfarad and 1 3 microfarad. So that is what we have. So these are in parallel, these three are in parallel. These 2 microfarad is in parallel with these 2 microfarad, also in parallel with these 2 microfarad, whereas these ones is in series with them. So we have 3 microfarad in series with the totality of these 3 plus this other 2 microfarad. So how do you calculate? Now, capacitance in parallel, the total capacitance in parallel is calculated by saying C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That is for parallel. Whereas for series calculation, we have C total, 1 over C total is equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. So you continue to add this one, you continue to add too. So if it is in parallel, it has to be just normal, but if it's in series, you add up the reciprocals. So since this and this are in parallel, we're going to have the total of these 3 is going to be C total is equal to C1, which is 2 microfarad plus C2. This is C1, this is C2, this is C3. C2 is also 2, C3 is also 2, which will give us 6 microfarad. So since you have everything here to be the same thing as 6 microfarad, then you have these 3 in parallel. This is in parallel with this and in parallel with this because they are just connected like this, unlike this one that are having points which are parallel. This is in series, this one is in series with this and in series with this. So for series calculation, 1 over CT is equal to 1 over C1. C1 in this case is 2 plus 1 over C2. C2 in this case is 6 plus 1 over C3. C3 in this case is 3. So this is what we have as our distance. So if we take the LCM of 2, 6 and 3, which will be 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1, we have 3, plus 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 1, 1, plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1, 2. So we have 3 plus 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have 6 over 6. That is 1 over CT is equal to 6 over 6. And 6 over 6 is the same thing as 1. And reciprocal of 1, making CT the subject, CT is also equal to 1. So the answer is D, 1. So first of all, you have to understand the formula for capacitance in parallel, which is just normal addition, and that of series, which is addition of the reciprocals, where the total is also the reciprocal. That's 1 over CT. So D is the answer to this. Thank you.